Project Serpo, 1960s to 1970s. In the shadowy world of classified operations and extraterrestrial secrets, one story stands out as both extraordinary and terrifying: the alleged existence of Project Serpo. This clandestine mission, if true, would rewrite everything we know about human interaction with alien civilizations. Project Serpo was not just a covert space program. It was a top-secret exchange program between the United States government and an alien race known as the Ebens from the Zeta Reticuli star system. And for decades, the details of this mind-boggling operation were buried under layers of classified files and misinformation. The origins of Project Serpo trace back to one of the most infamous events in UFO history, the 1947 Roswell incident. According to whistleblowers, among the debris recovered from the crashed UFO was an alien being who survived the impact. This extraterrestrial, later identified as an Eben, was taken into custody by the U.S. government. Over the years, this communication between the U.S. and the Ebens laid the groundwork for something unimaginable, a formal agreement that would pave the way for a human delegation to travel to the Ebens' home planet. The alleged details are as bizarre as they are captivating. In the early 1960s, as part of a carefully orchestrated and highly secretive program, a group of 12 specially trained American military personnel was selected to embark on a journey that no human had ever undertaken before. Their mission? To travel aboard an Eben spacecraft to Serpo, the alien homeworld located approximately 39 light-years away from Earth. The journey to Serpo was said to take around 9 months, with the crew traveling aboard a craft equipped with technology far beyond anything available on Earth. Once they arrived, what they encountered was beyond their imagination. Serpo was described as a planet with 2 suns, a world where day and night blurred into an eternal, unyielding brightness. The atmosphere was breathable but harsh, and the environment was unlike anything on Earth, a world that seemed both alien and strangely familiar. According to the accounts leaked by anonymous sources claiming insider knowledge of the project, the Ebens welcomed the human crew with open arms. The team spent over a decade living among the alien species, studying their culture, language, and technology. But Serpo was not without its dangers. The environment proved challenging for the human crew, and over the years, several members of the mission succumbed to the harsh conditions. By the time the program concluded and the remaining members returned to Earth, only a few had survived. What they brought back was knowledge that could alter the course of human civilization. Advanced technologies, insights into interstellar travel, and information about extraterrestrial civilizations that had visited Earth for millennia. But instead of sharing these findings with the world, the U.S. government allegedly buried the truth, classifying all information related to Project Serpo under the highest levels of secrecy. In 2005, the story of Project Serpo resurfaced when a series of leaked documents and emails from an anonymous source known as Anonymous began circulating online. These documents, allegedly from the Defense Intelligence Agency, DIA, detailed the existence of the program and provided a glimpse into the incredible events that unfolded during the mission. But as expected, official government agencies denied any involvement, dismissing the story as a fabrication or disinformation campaign. Skeptics argue that the entire narrative of Project Serpo is an elaborate hoax, a mixture of science fiction and conspiracy theories designed to mislead and confuse. But for those who believe, the details are too compelling to ignore. The timeline, the technology, and the eerie consistency in the stories told by different whistleblowers suggest that there may be more to Project Serpo than meets the eye. If Project Serpo did happen, it raises unsettling questions. Why was this information kept from the public? What did the returning astronauts reveal about the Ebens' true intentions? And perhaps, most disturbing of all, what if the exchange program never really ended? What if the relationship between humanity and the Ebens continues in secret to this day? The truth about Project Serpo remains locked away, hidden beneath a veil of classified documents and official denials. But one thing is certain. If humanity did establish contact with an alien civilization and traveled to a distant world, it would mean that we are no longer alone in the universe. And if that's true, the implications for our future are beyond comprehension.